Good morning and welcome to a sunny day at Disney California Adventure. I was looking at the map the other day and I realized there's so many things to do on Pixar Pier, and I thought I'd challenge myself to see how much I can get done. I do have a hard time deadline today. I have to leave by a certain time, so I set my timer as soon as I entered the park. I grabbed a map just to make sure I got everything on Pixar Pier, and let's time ourselves to see how much we can get done in a short amount of time on Pixar Pier today. Let's go. According to the official guide map, there are 6 attractions and 7 food dining locations, and this doesn't include your merchandise locations as well. So we gotta start with the first things first though. You obviously have to set up your tripod and get a picture of yourself or family in front of the Ferris wheel. So here we go. Should I take my glasses off? I'm gonna be cuter. I don't know, I'm so awkward. Is that cute? I guess I'll see later. One of the first things I was going to do for strategy was make a beeline over to Toy Story Mania, but when I was on the bus over here, it said it was offline. It's still showing offline, so I'll keep my eye on that, because I think I'm going to do that one first, because it can get really long waits, and Incredicoaster has a single rider lane. But since I hit the stop and not the turnaround button, since I am crossing into Pixar Pier, as you can see, one of our first things here is the Lamplight Lounge. It is very hard to get reservations to, although you can normally get a walk-up for the boardwalk location on the waterfront. But I'm gonna head over here into Knickknacks, which is the merchandise location, and I need to find something for my sister. So, there's something I thought I knew she would like. Let's see. I was hoping it was in here. Oh, I think she would like that. The thing I thought she would really like isn't here. This. I don't know what she would do with it, but any of these, I honestly think she'd probably prefer Woody. Look how cute they are. Here's Woody. Maybe. All right. First one off, that'd be for Megan. Oh, I do hear the Incredicoaster going. That was also offline. At least I hear the sounds. More that we'll have to do later is, oh my gosh, so sorry. I'm trying to flip, it's not flipping. 1, 2, 3. There we go. Is the adorable Frosted Treats. Is also on the list. You know what? There's the Incredicoaster. I just heard somebody go through, but oh, it is on. Okay. Okay, I gotta stop chatting and see if Toy Story Mania is back on. Hang on, I'll be right back. Well, according to the app, Incredicoaster is still down, but it's running. And then according to the app, Toy Story Mania is still down, and I just walked by, it is still down. So I think I will get some of my least favorite ones out of the way. If you watched my Do Everything in DCA in One Day challenge, then you'll know that I complained a lot about the Inside Out ride and also the Pixar Pal Around, which I'm walking by right now. So before they get too long, especially the Inside Out one, I'm gonna go do that one first. Inside Out Emotional Whirlwind has no height requirements, so it is really fun for families. It is very slow loading because there's only 8 balloons that take you up in the emotions and roll you around. I personally am not a big fan of heights, so this one isn't fun for me. But it is a fun, I say fun after I say it's not fun for me. It is a family-friendly ride.
Let's make some happy memories! Come on, everyone! Time to find the fun!
Yeah, find the fun.
the nice thing is that ride doesn't last very long. I think it's maybe 60 seconds. The loading and unloading is like 3 times the length. Now I'm coming in the side entrance here into, recentering myself again, into Bing Bong's. This is another merchandise location. Have more of the candy-esque type of merchandise.
The mayor.
And what I would do is I would get my daughter one of their candy Slurpees. All right, Bing Bong's is done. And just looked when I got off the ride. Toy Story still says it's down. Look! It's Doug and Wethel. Okay, getting into another of my least favorites. Pixar Pal Around. I am going on the non-swinging side because I'm a weenie. I don't like it. Once again, heights, not my jam. But thankfully it's still early in the day. There's not a long line. Thank you. Pixar Pal Around is a Ferris wheel ride. There's 2 different kinds. There's swinging and non-swinging, which is what I'm in. And I don't know if you can see, this one right here is swinging, and so you can see all the bars on it. Yeah, so it will, like it says, it will actually swing. You do get really high views. I think it says like 160 feet. So if you're not afraid of heights, I would actually recommend this because it is good for the whole family. But if you're someone like me who really doesn't like heights and it's not worth it to wait in the lines to be really, really high, then maybe skip it. But yeah, you can see everything though. I think it says it's higher than Matterhorn. Oh wait, here's the incorrect coaster. I gotta see it. Oh, you can see there's 2 cars on it right now. There's one. There's the other. There's Inside Out. Okay, can you see that one? That one is a swinging one. Oh, that one is also a swinging one. Look at that. That is not my vibe. That one's also a swinging one. Look at those kids screaming. No, thank you. Just checked my timer. I'm at 38 minutes, so not bad. Another one is, it's listed as an official attraction, are the games at Pixar Pier. So you have La Luna Starcatcher, Wall-E Space Race, Heimlich's Candy Corn Toss, and Bullseye Stallion Stampede. While they're really cute, and they do have similar ones like this over at Disneyland, I'm just going to sit here for a few minutes to act like I'm playing the game, but they are paid. You have to pay to play these games. They do have pretty cool like stuffed animals you can strive for. I don't get too close because I don't want people to think I want to play. So there's the Bullseye one. Oh, there's the Heimlich ones. Like, they're really cool, but I also don't want to use my money on that today, so we'll just sit here in a timeout for like a minute, and we'll call that me doing the game. You can pretend, should I pretend to toss stuff? Oh, he's really cute. Just sit here awkwardly. So they do have the tokens. So it's $5 per 1 token. It looks like every game is about 1 token. So just come over here, get your money for your tokens, and play. So yeah, $5 to play. I'm okay today. I don't need any more stuffed animals in my life. My daughter doesn't need more stuffed animals in her life. And frankly, I don't want to just randomly spend $5 on something. So that's just me. Since I am literally right here, here's Angry Dogs, where you can get your hot dogs. They have spicy all beef hot dogs with a small bag of hot fries. You can also, last night tried, you can just get like the regular Lay's, and then the slightly annoyed dog. That's with the small bag of chips, like the regular Lay's on it. They also have a popcorn stand over there. And Toy Story Mania is still offline. I actually might be able to get this all done then. Okay, one that is official on the Disneyland map is Senor Buzz Churros. They are right across from Toy Story Mania. Another one, actually, I have actually never eaten here. It's not open yet. Is the Poultry Palace. This is from the shorts, the Pixar shorts. Small Fry. If you haven't seen that, it's adorable. I highly encourage you to go see Small Fry. It's where you can get like your turkey legs. So cute. Alright, here's another merchandise location. This is the exit to the gift shop one of Toy Story Mania. I was planning on doing after I got off the ride, but since we are here, so I got something for my sister, I got something for Harper. Now let's figure out something for, you know what, we'll say my nephew, who's slightly older. Ooh. Actually, I don't know if he wears hats. Does he wear hats, Megan? I'm talking about my kid. Do you have that with your siblings? Like one of their children is really your children. You don't know how that happened. It's obviously Toy Story themed merchandise. No, the socks. All right, those are for my nephew. I'm gonna go ahead and get on Jessie's Critter Carousel. This one usually does have a short wait list. No height requirement. It's just like the name suggests. It's a carousel. You're with Jessie and her critters. And they play really cute westerny type songs themed to Jessie. The pink bunny was calling my name. Okay, just rode Incredicoaster Coaster. I always feel so awkward when I'm in the standby line, like bringing out my camera and talking to it, because I feel awkward about it anyways. Which I feel like people can see me doing it right now. But I did ride the standby. I timed it was 18 minutes, which is probably average for single rider. You're not going to be prioritized by any means. If there's an extra spot, they'll put you in it, but sometimes they don't always do it either. The line said 25 minutes when I got in. It looked longer than that. And now it says 35, which is probably about right. So much fun. It does have, sorry if you can't hear me, I just feel like I'm a little private over here. It does have a height requirement of 48 inches. So my daughter's never been on it. She is tall enough now. We just haven't taken her on it yet. So hopefully she really likes it. It's one of my favorite. It is a really fun roller coaster. It goes upside down too. Okay, last thing to do is Toy Story Mania. It's still offline. So I don't know what I'm going to do about that. So we'll see. It's right after you get off the ride, right after the photo kiosk. They have Jack Jack Cookie Num Nums for $8 or Jack Jack Shortbread Cookie for $6.50. And those are the shortbread cookies. Oh, anybody else remember? This is where, good gravy, why can I never flip it? This is where the kiosk was to get your paper ticket fast passes for Toy Story Mania. The good old days. There's Bo. Well, the ride vehicles are now moving. That's a good sign. I'm just gonna wait over here by the front, just in case. I'll be one of those creepers. Okay, I've waited a solid 30 minutes in front of Toy Story Mania. The cast members keep encouraging guests to go explore other options. Poor things, I've kind of been watching them here and there until I give, Toy Story Mania waiting. It's closed right now. We don't know what's back online. We have no idea. Sorry about the inconvenience. So I thought I'd give it the old college try. Waited 30 minutes. And then I think I'm going to call it. Okay, I think you can see that. Almost 2 hours. And stop. Yeah, calling it on Toy Story Mania. It's been offline all morning, like since the park opened. So I doubt that they're just gonna get it up and running in the meantime. On the Undercover Touring app, it keeps, or the Touring Plan app, it keeps pushing it out for how long they're expecting it to come back online. So I don't have much for it. So we'll call it there. It took me probably about 2 hours to do everything here on Pixar Pier. Let me know if you enjoy these kind of videos. We could try a different land or something like that. I think I need to get some food. I'm getting a little Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Like this video, subscribe, comment down below what your favorite ride is or favorite part of Pixar Pier is. And until next time, thanks. Have a good day. Have a magical day. I don't know what we're saying. Have a magical day.